How to live with a snoring partner. Snoring affects millions of people, and the collective loudness of all that snoring put together is enough to drive anyone crazy. Many see it as just a bother, while others might have more serious health issues. This video has plenty of advice to help treat your snoring problem. If you want to stop snoring, don't consume alcohol just before bed. While alcohol is okay to have with dinner or even later in the evening, if you have it just before bed, it will make all of your muscles relax, including those that keep your nasal passages fully open. You'll have less airflow, and you'll snore. To stop snoring, go on a weight loss regimen if you are currently overweight. Fat is intruding on the available space for your air passages, and those narrower passages are causing you to snore. If you get rid of the fat, your passages will be able to open fully, and you can stop snoring. Drinking alcohol too close to bedtime can result in snoring. This happens because alcohol tends to relax the throat muscles, which leads to tightened airways. As a result, snoring is more likely to occur. The best way to avoid snoring due to alcohol consumption is to stop drinking spirits at least 5 to 6 hours before bedtime. To reduce snoring, avoid drinking milk or eating dairy products before going to sleep. Warm milk was once thought to be a helpful remedy to drink before sleeping, however, if you snore, dairy increases mucus production. Overproduction of mucus often makes snoring much worse. By avoiding dairy before you go to sleep, you help keep your airway clear. Avoid eating a big meal before going to bed. Having a stomach that is full will push up on the diaphragm, and this can limit your ability to breathe. You should also avoid rich foods, like chocolate, pizza, cookies and cake before bed. They can make your stomach feel full. You may want to look into magnetic therapy in order to end snoring. With this method, a plastic ring with 2 magnetic ends attached to your nose when you go to sleep. The ring helps to stimulate the sensors that open the nasal passages, thus, preventing a person from snoring. Ready to stop snoring? There are some throat exercises you can do to keep your throat muscles stronger. One thing you can do is repeat the 5 vowels out loud, consistently, for 3 minutes consecutively, several times a day. Building your throat muscles will reduce your instances of snoring. Drinking water is a great way to create a smooth passageway for the air in your body. During the course of the day, drink at least 8 glasses of water to maximize hydration. Water will help you to feel refreshed and can aid in breathing freely at night, reducing the chance that you will snore. While snoring keeps you or your partner up at night, it may lead to cardiovascular disease down the road as well. Anyone who is concerned about their snoring needs to have it checked out right away. This video can help you get some relief, and have a great night's sleep, but be sure not to overlook snoring in the future. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.